Okay, so we are out of the airport in the shuttle, and I just checked into the Hilton Garden Inn. And I'm going to give you a quick room tour as I head to my room for next, technically 2 nights. 2 nights, well, 2.5 days. 7 and 6. But here we go. This is actually a really nice hotel. It was so busy, let me tell you. So busy downstairs in the lobby. Like, my God. Okay, here we go. Here we are. Okay, we just got into the room. Let's see, let's turn some lights on here. Okay, there's the door I just walked in, obviously. Nice little closet. Little kitchenette area. Should be the bathroom. Yes. Toilet, shower, and sink. Toiletries. King size bed. Nice architecture. It's a little expensive. Cost me $840 for 2 nights. However, I do believe that includes a refundable deposit, which I will get back. I'll check out. But I put that on my United card. And after about 2 weeks of work back in Cleveland, I should have that paid off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm not terribly fond of the carpeting, but nice marble and wood furnishings. You know, it's real marble. They just layered it on top of the wood. Nice little fridge and microwave. But yeah, that's the room at the. This is the King room at the Hilton Garden Inn by Logan Airport in Boston. So I'm gonna get settled, maybe order some dinner here, put my stuff away in the fridge, and yeah, make myself at home. We will see you tomorrow when we venture to the USS Constitution. Stay tuned for that. See you in the air. Take care of yourselves and each other.